Good morning, church. My name is Bonface. I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya, and I'm representing the legal department of the Harvest Family Church. Today we have a presentation for you. But before I introduce the topic, let me give you a scenario. Kevin runs an Airbnb. Kevin has a customer who took the room for 1 week. But within the 1 week, the client has changed the curtains, transferred the TV, and he has also broken some glasses on the balcony. Now Kevin wants to have the repairs in the house after this customer has checked out quickly, but he doesn't know the avenues to go about it, because if he goes to court to file a civil suit within the normal parameters, it will take a long time for him to recuperate as a business. And today we have a solution for you. We are introducing to you the Small Claims Court. I'm going to discuss the Small Claims Court and how it is very important to small business owners and to everyone else who need their cases resolved within a very short time. What is the Small Claims Court? The Small Claims Court is a subordinate court established under the Small Claims Court Act number 2, section 4, and it handles civil matters whose subject matter is below 1 million Kenya shillings. So in our scenario, Kevin's case, his repairs, the house repairs, are likely not to exceed 1 million. So what, as a legal officer, I will advise Kevin is to file a case in the Small Claims Court. Small Claims Court has been very instrumental in helping small business owners to reclaim their money lenders. If you do money lending, or you have a friend who borrowed money from you and you have been trying to recover that money and it's below 1 million, you can easily file in the Small Claims Court and recover your money within 3 months. Yes, 3 months. What happens in the Small Claims Court is that there are no formalities that are followed by the higher courts or the magistrates' courts. So in the Small Claims Court, things are more informal. You can either represent yourself or have a legal officer represent you. And by a legal officer, I mean an advocate. The Small Claims Court has jurisdiction over matters of sale and purchase, personal injuries, and also tort. And by tort, I mean where you have suffered damage as a person. Small Claims Court does not have jurisdiction to handle matters such as libel, slander, defamation, and malicious prosecution, divorce cases, dispute over title to a possession of land, and matters concerning employment and labor relations. Other than that, the Small Claims Court is your go-to. Anyone can file a case in the Small Claims Court, and you can represent yourself or you can have someone else represent you. But this someone else must be an advocate. Now, the interesting part is how to file a case in the Small Claims Court. Simple. You just need to go to www.judiciary.go.ke, download the Small Claims Court Form 1, fill it out and file it with the Small Claims Court. But it's advisable when you're filing this SS1 that you accompany it with other statements, whether it's witness statements or affidavit supporting your claim, or other forms of evidence that you have gathered that will support your case. Once you have prepared your documents very well and you have uploaded them on the website, or you have uploaded them in person at Milimani, you need to pay a fee. But the small claims fee is very little. It ranges between Kenya shillings 200 to 1,000 only, depending on your case. So unlike the other courts, where you'll be advised on each document and how much to pay and how to do it, in the small claim court, things are very informal. You just upload the documents and you pay the advised fee, but it only ranges between 200 and 1,000 Kenya shillings. You have filed your documents, you have paid you have paid the filing fee. Now, what next? You're supposed to serve the respondent or the person that aggrieved you with copies of the documents that you filed so that you can enable them to respond to your claim. After you have served them, also remember to sign certificate of service to show that you did the service to that effect. And usually it is an affidavit. So an affidavit that you serve the documents to the respondent.